Which companies use Boeing 737 MAX 9 aircraft? On Friday, January 5, 2024, the plugging that replaces a potential additional door in the fuselage of a Boeing 737 MAX 9 operated by Alaska Airlines is torn off shortly after the aircraft takes off, intended to connect Portland, Oregon, to Ontario Airport in the suburbs of Los Angeles. Miraculously, no casualties occur, and the plane successfully makes an emergency landing. A few days later, Alaska Airlines and United Airlines, which operate the largest fleets of Boeing 737 MAX 9 aircraft in the world, announced that they had discovered poorly tightened bolts on the doors of several other aircraft of the same model. These failures are part of a long list of major incidents for the American aerospace manufacturer. In particular, two accidents occurred in October 2018 in Indonesia and in March 2019 in Ethiopia, due to a faulty flight stabilization system, resulting in the deaths of nearly 350 people. Both aircraft involved were Boeing 737 MAX. As shown in our infographic, in addition to Alaska and United, 7 other airlines currently have Boeing 737 MAX 9 aircraft in their fleets, with over 200 aircraft in service as of January 2024, according to the travel industry information website Skift. On January 6, 2024, the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, issued an emergency airworthiness directive to all owners and operators of 737 MAX 9 aircraft. Boeing responded in a press release. "Safety is our top priority, and we deeply regret the impact this event has had on our customers and their passengers. We fully endorse and support the FAA's decision to require immediate inspection of 737-9 airplanes with the same configuration as the affected aircraft.